were 17 with nowhere to go, just a beat-up car and a radio, singing every word like we own the night, chasing dreams beneath the city lights. Back then forever felt so close. Funny how the years can come and go. I miss the days when we were young, running wild with our hearts undone. No regrets, no fear of falling down, just you and me against this town. If I could relive one memory, it'd be those nights you spent with me, when the world was small and love was enough. Back when we were young. Now the streets look different somehow. The same old places don't feel the same now. Everybody's grown, everybody's changed, but your name still brings me back again. Oh, some moments never really leave, they live forever underneath. Oh, I miss the days when we were young, running wild with our hearts undone. No regrets, no fear of falling down, just you and me against this town. If I could relive one memory, it'd be those nights you spent with me, when the world was small and love was enough. Back when we were young. Maybe we're older, maybe we've moved on, but a part of me still hears that song, the one we'd sing with the windows down, while the stars watched over this little town. No, I miss the days when we were young, before goodbye had ever come, before we learned that love can hurt and memories can be a curse.